Thank you, Anna. Rights only no absolute. Rights you always got exception. So you know, Savetalem say you got right, ale right I used to not blame all time. From Mamba Mimi got right blow about the road, driver blow one tractor, me got right blow drive the road. So Mamba mitivela mas look out road blow mitivela blow. Mimi no fast lo truck no bang me. Suppose me meet him one pedestrian no road, Mimi walk about the go, road is small, hemi walk about the come. Hemi got right blow walk about, me too make a right blow walk about, so mitivela must give way lo mitivela. In law hemi semak. So rights blow fundamental rights. Also Mr. Blow Article 5, Chapter 2, Law Constitution. You mean saying out a Bill of Rights. They saying out a fundamental rights to rely more or less the same thing, but Bill of Rights is more broader. Also Bill of Rights by the United Nations. Basic rights, basic human rights by the United Nations. But emi adapt the same something. Long meetings I got one amendment long fundamental rights. But Attorney General stuff from office plan now Mr. Draft more laws here. So fundamental rights where Mr. Tarosa you refer to him amended small. Suppose me
think Semia look a little that one.
One part of the Constitution amended small, plum again say Article 17A mobia, Mambay no out of place. He got some amendments law Constitution. Law might law chapter 1 or maybe law chapter 2. Yes, me reading finish, but me forget say stop law. So time you read him together, then question for referendum and me straightforward no more. Sorry, la pressure me moderator, me must tell them out interest blow me. So they no got conflict of interest. Me member blow one group where me first up advise them a referendum. And me listening out say national one group law former prime ministers and former presidents. So long look lo mi vela